Alright, so what's up, you guys? It's your girl Courtney, and I am back with another video. Yes, back with another video. And today, guys, today we're gonna be eating us some nachos. We're gonna be eating some nachos, you guys. And we got this from one of our local taquerias. I will insert the name somewhere here in the video so y'all can know where to go if y'all are in the California area. So we got a lot to talk about, you guys, and we got a lot to eat. So let's get into the video. So y'all, yeah, I got some nachos. I know y'all ready to see me eat. I got chicken nachos and I got some guac on the side. And my honey bunny brought me this home when he got off work. So let's give me a bite, y'all. This is so good. Oh my God. Chicken, cheese, pico, homemade tortilla chips, sour cream, onions. Oh, so good. Ooh. So y'all, Miss Pinky, as y'all can see, is in the building. What y'all think going on today? So y'all been asking for, I've dropped her Instagram post. So if y'all not follow me over Instagram, head over to my Instagram so y'all can see what's coming. So I posted Miss Pinky video. Miss Pinky, not video, picture on Instagram. As y'all can probably see by the thumbnail, or either I'm going to insert it here. And yeah, y'all, today y'all going to meet Miss Pinky's husband because this is her wedding gown. So yeah, y'all. Don't Miss Pinky look good, y'all, at her wedding? Look at her showing out. I don't know if she going to her wedding or her quinceañera, but she look good either way. So, y'all, I did this out of some stuff out of Dollar Tree. This right here is originally a headband that you get out of the toy section. I just broke it in half. I took the thing off the headband here. And this was some little feathers that I just wrapped around her, y'all. I was just getting creative. Ooh. Here I go. I was just getting creative, y'all. Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think on Miss Pinky wedding dress. I just said, let me go on down the tree and see what I can find. And that's what I came up with. So yeah, y'all. Ooh, I can't open Pinky head. Girl, you're gonna have to take this off now. I need my water. Okay now. There we go. Let me get a few more bites and then I'm gonna introduce y'all to her husband. Cause y'all, I've been getting comments saying I talk too much and I ain't eating enough. So I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to satisfy both parties. Mm. 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 This is good guac. Mm. So y'all, introducing none other than Mr. Pinky's husband himself. The big dog of the big dog. The big dog that wear the big drops. No. Miss Pinky husband, y'all. Y'all. You ready? Y'all, look at Miss Pinky. Look how little Miss Pinky is. Miss Pinky like a tall, dark, and handsome, okay? And a little rough around the edges. Y'all see what I did to him? I put a little tuxedo on him. Y'all, and this, y'all, believe it or not, this thing came from Dollar Tree as well. Y'all know the little candy boxes in the section, in the wedding section, that you put like little Hershey Kisses or chocolates and stuff inside. I just cut it up and then did this. So yeah, y'all, this big dog right here, he's also the same brand as Miss Pinky. No, they ain't cousins. That's nasty. But he's the Manna brand, and we got this from Home Goods. And he was, oh, the price gone. Was he $39.99 or $49.99? Do you remember it?
39.
He was $39.99. So listen. Look at this thing compared to my head. Look. If y'all trying to get hydrated around this thing, this to get. This thing stay just as cold. I mean, like the weekend, when my husband is off for the weekend for work, y'all, this lasts us the whole, well, we go through the water, but the ice be in here literally the whole weekend. Like, it's just amazing. So, y'all, he don't have a name. So, I want y'all, since y'all came up with Miss Pinky name, I want y'all to come up with what her husband's name is. Comment down below and tell me what y'all think his name is, okay? So, we're going to let him go back to his life. And we're going to get back into eating. Alright. So, yeah, y'all, that was fun. Comment down below what his name should be. Mmm. Mmm. These some good nachos. So y'all, Thanksgiving is around the corner. I've been seeing y'all putting up y'all Thanksgiving dinners already. But y'all, since I won't be home for Thanksgiving, or my second home for Thanksgiving, we gonna be cooking here. So, or me, I wanna cook. My hubby will step in and help me when I need him to. But for the most part, I'm gonna cook. And I am gonna film it. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all, shout out to all my new subscribers that's over here that came from the 20 chicken leg challenge by BLOVES. I know y'all sent here by BLOVES. Thank y'all. Shout out to y'all. Welcome. I'm going to do a video on that because I really honestly believe that it deserves its own video on how I felt, what was going on, and just everything. It deserves its own video, y'all. So stay tuned for that so I can tell y'all what was my feelings and what I was going through, the emotions and stuff all during that day. Okay? So shout out to everybody. And shout out to BLOVES, because that was definitely love that she did. I left some on this plate for y'all. Come get y'all some now. I can't eat all this by myself. So y'all know I don't like to hold y'all long. I'm going to take one more bite and I'm going to wrap up the video. Ooh. Let's make it good. There we go. Anyway, y'all, so please make sure that y'all share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, please make sure that your notification bell is on so that you can be notified every time your girl upload a video here on the channel. We love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And next video, y'all, I think I came up with us a name over here. So y'all stay tuned for that. Listen, we finna shut it down, okay? I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace. How did I do?